So this is the River Don, and we are currently moored. Hold on, I'm getting tangled because of the dog. Right, we're currently moored. Go on the other side of me, dude. Right, we are currently moored just over there. You can see the back of our boat, and then literally straight up here, probably only about 3 meters above us, you've got a flooding river. Very fast flowing, very scary, and I'm not quite sure if I want to stay here for any longer than an hour. We'll just walk down this bit here and have a quick look. Wait, boy. So we're at Bramwith lock right now, and this is the tightest lock we've been in so far. Front of the boat, literally touching the gates. Hayley's set one lock gate, she's about to set the other, and that should hopefully give us some room to move the boat back a little bit. This is the tightest lock we've been in by far. Right, now, once that's on, you need to guide me. Make sure. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. So Hayley's just going to make sure that we're not sitting too close or on the sill. I don't think it's an issue in this lock, but I don't want to risk it.
Is that alright?
Say that again? Couldn't understand that. You need to speak a bit slower.
It's the gate behind you, that's okay, isn't it?
Yes, that's fine. What on?
That's just over the still line.
Okay, no worries. Let's go. Oh. Just go slow, slow. Stop breathing. Another moody looking sky, but at least it's not raining today. This lock was just a bit of an unusual one compared to what we're used to. And we haven't done any manual locks now for at least a month and a half, I think, 2 months. So it's a bit intimidating when you start doing the locks yourself again after having CRT doing them for some time. All right. Yeah. Where? Come on, girl. So we're just leaving Bramwith lock now. We had a little bit of trouble with the lock gate. One of them, they have like hooks and chains, and one of the hooks and chains was a bit stuck. But we got it off. Huh? Typical, isn't it? We could have had some help with that. That'll be his house.
Yeah.
Doesn't really matter because doesn't really matter because it's filled.
You know what we should have done? We couldn't because it was too hairy.
What?
Drone footage of fog would have been amazing.
It would have been good. We'd never have got the drone up and back. Landing it on a moving platform is not.
It's not even standing up. It's just laying there howling. Is he alright?
Yeah, he's alright. What's the matter?
Yeah, in a minute, mate. In a minute. Should we get the snack?
Huh?
Should we get the snack?
What, that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bird gets more snacks than the kids.
Yeah.
Are you all okay? I'm gonna get snacks, yeah. Yeah.
Hayley, can you put the kettle on as well? Okay, cool. I'll just check in. We're almost at the junction, by the way, as well. No, you got time. How's it going, mate? I wish the sun was back out. Nice boat, man. Yeah. Will's mate. Oh, nice. Which way's he gone? Cool. No worries, man. Take care. So the wide beam that we travelled from Keedley to Thorn with, Will and Claude, that was their friend. So I think they obviously have come this way and passed by, but yeah. The boating community, man, it's a great community. I think we just take the right, yeah. Yeah, because the Don Aqueduct is literally there. So look, we've gone past the water point, we're coming down here. I think we literally just hang a right here.
And it's quite tight, so maybe concentrate.
Because Bramwith junction takes us. Yeah, we need to go
I
up.
know you can't come out here yet, mate. You're not trained for it.
It doesn't look tight, it just looks fast flowing.
Yeah, going right. That really wants to come here now.
Yeah, he definitely ain't coming out here.
Not until he's got a life jacket on.
But not even just no. When we're on,
Huh?
huh?
Probably not pressing.
Well, when we've got a smaller canal that we're on, this is a canal, but it's massive.
Oh,
Look
wait.
at this.
Yeah, well, with the river Don now,
No,
yeah?
no. River Don runs
Dude,
parallel.
chill. I know.
Oh, this does not look fun. As bad as I thought
No,
it
it looks worse than it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite choppy though.
It's very
And of
choppy.
course now the wind picks up.
Huh?
Of course the wind picks up.
Yeah. This is the Don Aqueduct.
Mate, chill, right? I know.
There's sluice gates either side of the aqueduct.
So it gives you.
Yeah.
Thank God this is the first time doing it, so I'm
On this,
really
yeah.
upset.
We're on the big canals.
I know, baby, I know. I'm sorry.
Bert's not happy that he's got to stay in his crate while we move.
It's not allowed out when we've got the kids loose. It's not that you don't trust him, he's just big, isn't he?
Yeah.
He gets over the side and knocks him over, we're out
Well,
here. It's just,
it's also him as well. He can
Yeah.
boat it himself.
yeah. Well, we don't want him up here until he's trained reading the boat.
Well,
And then he can
no,
get out here with us.
only on smaller canals.
We'll get the same river.
Yeah. I mean, this is a canal, but this is like a river.
Yeah.
This is huge. Oh, can we even get across the aqueduct? Because the River Don's flooded.
Oh, I don't know. Well, there'll be somewhere to stop anyway, so we can have a look.
You hope.
Of course there'll be. I think on the left, isn't it?
I'm not seeing any posts or any like lock landing.
Where's the centre there?
I think I'm not seeing any lock landing.
I know, babe, I'm sorry. I know it's crap. I get it.
I think you're going to have to take your radio.
Yeah, I've got it.
I think we're going to have to do at least one pin here,
Yeah.
and then you jump out, run down there. Because look, it's all there doesn't look like there's any form of lock landing there. I mean, your eyesight's better than mine, but that doesn't look like any lock landing, does it?
Just watch out for somebody's hole there.
The farm dogs.
Look, so there should be warnings and things. Can't see anything saying it's not open.
Right, you need to get the pins and lock that out.
So I'm scared to go on hill.
So way off in the distance there, you can see the, I think they're guillotine gates for the Don Aqueduct, and that's going to go over the River Don, and then we can travel through once the gates are open. I'm not even sure if these ones are called sluice gates or I don't know. But all I can tell you is I'm exhausted and we just want to get away from these flooded areas. So Hayley's just gone to take a look at where we're trying to get through, which is the Don Aqueduct, I think this is called. And she's got down there, and as we said earlier, the River Don is flooding, which is why we kind of want to move away from this. Because the aqueduct goes over the Don is actually high and is flowing over the aqueduct now. So I'm just going to have a look, but I don't think we're going to be able to pass here, which means we'll have to spin it back around and head over towards Doncaster. So yeah, hair's a mess, shattered because it's been a lot of cycling. I had to cycle back from Stainforth to Thorn and then back from, I can't even remember the location of the other place, back to Stainforth. So yeah, we've just had relentless rain for like 3 days now, solid here, and it's just making it not pleasurable. But you got to take the good with the bad. So a little bit of rain for a lot of happiness. So this is the Don Aqueduct where we were hoping to pass through. Yeah, this ain't happening at all. Look at all the debris that the river's brought. Here is meant to be where we'll be able to pass through. So we were meant to come through that lock gate, guillotine gate, and we were meant to go through that one. As you can see, that's definitely not going to happen. It's just insane how high up this water is. Absolutely insane. It's just dragging all this debris. Mother Nature is pissed this year. Yeah, we ain't going through here. I wouldn't, even if you could, I wouldn't even risk it. But there's a tree just chilling in the aqueduct, and this is one of 2 aqueducts we'd have to go down as well. So I think it's safe to say it's not safe to go this route until this water subsides. Otherwise we're just putting ourselves in danger, because that river should not be that high. We should be able to safely pass over that, but yeah, it's not happening. So on to Doncaster it is now, and hopefully we can find somewhere decent to moor there for a couple of weeks, and I'm hoping the rain will pass and then we can make this journey. But this, unfortunately for us, is the only route for us to get to Manchester, where we were trying to head to. So yeah, hopefully we get a break in the rain, and then the water that's currently flooding everywhere disappears downstream, and then we can pass through. Thanks for watching this week's episode. If you enjoy the content we make, please like it, share it, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us grow as a channel and put out more great content for you. See you on the next one.